Prince Harry, thank you for speaking with the BBC just as the court decision is out, which obviously didn't go in your favor. I want to start by asking what this means now for your family. Will you no longer take your children back to the UK?
Um, 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 right, uh, um, 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 my marriage to Meghan, um, 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 um,